In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code on Puma. This process is simple and straightforward, so let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you like. Once it's open, navigate to the search bar and type in Puma. Hit enter and you should see a list of results pop up. Now look through the results and find the correct link to Puma's official website. It should be one of the top results. Click on the link to open the Puma website. This ensures you're shopping on the official site, which is important for security and access to genuine promotions. With the Puma website open, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your registered email and password. If you're not yet registered, you might want to create an account for a smoother shopping experience in the future. Logging in is crucial because it allows the system to recognize your account and apply any saved promo codes or discounts. Once you're logged in, it's time to browse for the product you want to purchase. You can do this by navigating through the categories or using the search bar to find a specific item. When you find the product you like, click on it to open the product details page. This page will give you all the information you need about the product, including sizes, colors, and specifications. After opening the product page, choose the variation that suits your needs. This could be the size, color, or any other option available. Once you've made your choice, click on the Add to Cart button. This step is essential as it adds the product to your shopping cart, allowing you to proceed with the purchase. Now that the product is in your cart, it's time to apply the promo code. Look for the option that says Apply a promo code or something similar, usually found in the cart summary. Enter your promo code into the designated field and click Apply. If the code is valid, you should see the discount reflected in your cart total. This confirmation reassures you that the promo code has been successfully applied. With the promo code applied, the next step is to proceed to checkout. Click on the Checkout button. This will take you to the checkout page where you can review your order, enter shipping details, and select your payment method. Take a moment here to double-check everything. Ensure that your shipping address is correct and that all details align with your expectations. Finally, complete the order by following the prompts to enter your payment information. Once your payment is confirmed, you will receive an order confirmation on the screen and via email. This ensures that your purchase has been successful and that your items will be on their way to you soon. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a promo code on Puma and completed your purchase. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.